from is I notice that I'm attached to my suffering, and in a way that I know that in our culture and in every human culture I'm aware of, normal people suffer, and it seems that in order for me to get out or have less suffering or be unattached to suffering, I would have to acknowledge and accept that I would be a very extraordinary human being if I didn't suffer. Like, I would not kind of belong to the group if I didn't suffer. I would be different. And that's what came up.
Okay. Now, you, yeah. Huh.
And I see a shift there that I'm not as attached as I was, say, when we started the camp, far less. Now, I don't know what's going to happen later on, whether it comes back. And I'm less driven to be like a normal person than I used to be. But it's still in my mind that, say, I woke up tomorrow, no suffering, zero suffering. It would be weird. It would be just weird. Like, I imagine myself, absolutely zero suffering, no matter what occurs, I don't suffer. That's a huge shift and a very different experience.
Okay. So you really want to fit in. So do you think that you're not one of the people?
I just think that I really think that if I didn't suffer, I wouldn't be like other people, and I think this is true.
Yeah, but why would you care?
That's right. That's right.
See, I mean, if you didn't suffer, right? Say, and you were a person, right? Then maybe you would just think, why are you suffering? You know, the other people. Why are you suffering? You know, kind of thing. You wouldn't feel invalidated or that you're now separated from the clan necessarily.
I see.
Is this in some part a cultural thing?
Maybe. I mean, Hungarians definitely suffer a lot. That is a certainty.
Like the Russians?
Even our whole nation is built on like a sorrow that we lost the war, and our country has been attacked and ripped apart. There's like this pain and sadness even in the anthem. Like, our country has suffered the past and the future. This is the anthem. Yeah. Our country has already suffered the past and the future. This is actually exact translation.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Did you read the newsletter?
Yes.
Yeah. There was a guy asked about art and distinctions of art. Wasn't he Hungarian?
Bulgarian.
He was Bulgarian?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Never mind. Yeah. Because he wrote me back and talked about the distinctions they make. And some of them were definitely cultural orientations. Huh, okay, all right. Well, consider that, you know. Maybe they'd ostracize you because you attained what they all want to attain but can't admit wanting to attain it. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. You know, like Anne in the Buddhist community in India, and she has, let's just say, an enlightenment experience, and so they basically turn on her because no, you can't have that. And then I could see, and she was there for 8 fucking years. How long do you want to wait, you see? But no, you got to be special people or something stupid like that. And then, you know, or even worse, well, I've been here 12 years. I deserve it more than you. No, you don't, because you're really fucking petty, you know, and you believe in stupid things. So you're never going to get enlightened. Sorry. Or maybe you. Who knows?
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.